Set along the dazzling shores of the Bodrum Peninsula, Vogue Hotel Supreme Bodrum is a destination where vibrant energy meets refined coastal elegance. Surrounded by pine forests and framed by the endless blue of the Aegean Sea, the resort unfolds like a world of its own, colorful, lively, and full of character. From the moment you arrive, there is a sense of excitement in the air, balanced by the calming presence of nature that defines this part of Turkey. The atmosphere at Vogue Hotel Supreme Bodrum is unmistakably dynamic. It carries a youthful, spirited energy, yet remains grounded in comfort and thoughtful design. The architecture blends modern style with Mediterranean warmth, creating open spaces that invite light and movement. Wide pathways, stylish terraces, and carefully landscaped surroundings give the entire property a sense of flow, allowing guests to move effortlessly from one experience to another. What makes this resort truly stand out is its ability to cater to different moods at once. It can feel lively and social, filled with laughter, music, and shared moments, yet at the same time offer quiet corners where the rhythm slows and the sea breeze becomes the only sound. This balance creates a sense of freedom. Guests can shape their own experience, whether that means embracing the vibrant atmosphere or retreating into peaceful stillness. The setting plays a central role in this feeling. Bodrum's natural beauty surrounds the resort, from the gentle hills covered in olive trees to the deep, shimmering blues of the sea. The light here is especially striking, clear and bright during the day, soft and golden in the evening. As the sun sets, the entire landscape seems to glow, and the transition from day to night becomes part of the experience itself. There is also a strong sense of creativity woven into the resort's identity. From its visual design to its overall ambience, everything feels curated with care and imagination. The environment encourages a sense of playfulness and curiosity, making each moment feel slightly different from the last. It's a place where details matter, not in a formal or rigid way, but in a way that enhances comfort and enjoyment. Hospitality at Vogue Hotel Supreme Bodrum is warm, attentive, and naturally welcoming. The service feels genuine, creating an atmosphere where guests can fully relax and feel at ease. It's the kind of place where interactions are easy, smiles come naturally, and the overall mood is one of openness and positivity. Perhaps the most defining feature of the resort is its sense of movement. There is always a gentle flow of life, people arriving, conversations unfolding, moments happening organically. Yet nothing feels rushed. Time seems to stretch, allowing guests to fully enjoy each part of the day without urgency. Vogue Hotel Supreme Bodrum is not simply a place to stay. It is an experience shaped by energy, light, and atmosphere. It captures the spirit of Bodrum in a way that feels both contemporary and timeless, offering a coastal escape where every moment carries a sense of warmth, color, and effortless enjoyment.